What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Bitcoin and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. It seems as though YouTube is currently suppressing crypto content, so make sure to come back and check every day for daily updates, as notifications aren't currently being sent out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for all your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as you can see, it's crazy how much things can change in a few days. Obviously, a few days ago, we were testing this low again at around 31k here, as we can see. But now it looks as though Bitcoin has actually broken out of a potential descending channel that it has been in for some time, as we can see here. It's been trading downwards inside of this channel pretty much for a long ass time now and struggling to get above this resistance line. As you can see, every time that we came up and tried to test and break out of this resistance here, it did seem as though we were falling back down. We did get a little fake out here and a retest, but obviously that tweet from Elon Musk sent us to the downside again. And we did retest this low here at around 31k, but we may be forming somewhat of a double bottom here. And as we can see, we've had a very nice V-shaped recovery for Bitcoin. And now, even better, it looks like it may even be breaking out of this this downward trend line that it's been stuck under. As we can see, we've got quite a clear breakout here. I think when the next hiking Ashi candle ticks over, it's going to snap up to around 38,200, sorry, which should be around here. So we've got a very decent breakout of the structure here. As you can see, yesterday we were just on an absolute tear. Bitcoin had a huge rally. I think it went up. Let's just see how much it's gone up since yesterday. To the current price, it's around 21%, which is a huge increase, obviously. And if we did this again, just for argument's sake, then we would be looking at breaking out of this this trend that we've been in. This basically, we've been stuck under 41k, haven't we? So it's kind of if we could get this again, just another 20% boost in the next few days, breaking out of this structure and continuing upwards. If we can get above this 41.5k level, which we've basically been stuck under for the past few weeks ever since we had that huge correction. Obviously, if we can get above this level, then things are looking great. We could retest it as support, hopefully, and then moving to the upside, I do think that the bull run will continue with full force. This is something that we've been saying for a long time now. We didn't think that the bull run was over by any stretch of the imagination. There was just a lot of fear in the market. But obviously, as we can see, people saw that we got a double bottom here and that we didn't go lower. And then once we got that, we got the nice inverse head and shoulders. As you can quite clearly see here, inverse head and shoulders, or the phallus of doom, as some may call it. Wink, wink. And then obviously we got that V-shaped recovery straight to the upside, boom. And there we go. So we actually came up very quickly here, basically no stopping at all. Pretty much every single candle for the hourly time frame was a green candle, which is nice to see when Bitcoin is so suppressed and manipulated as it has been. Having a really nice green day like this was just what the market needed, in our opinion, to put some positivity and bullishness back into the market. Because let's be honest, everyone's been horribly bearish. There's been so many people going around saying Bitcoin's going to zero, Bitcoin's a scam, the bull run's over, blah blah. But in reality, when you actually look at the metrics, it's very unlikely that this was the case. As we can quite clearly see here, Bitcoin is still has a lot of demand. The fundamentals are getting better every day. Obviously, El Salvador confirmed Bitcoin was an official sovereign currency of their nation now, which is absolutely insane for Bitcoin. And it seems as though a lot of South American and Central American countries are starting to follow suit. So it does seem as though things are looking very bullish for Bitcoin. We can obviously see we've got this double bottom here, and we did actually make a higher low from the correction till now. So even if we just followed this trend line that we've outlined here, in a few months we would be basically retesting this level at around 41k no matter what, because we would be basically holding this trend line if that was the case. But we do think that Bitcoin's going to push on from here, in our opinion, now that we've broken out of this downtrend that we've found ourselves in basically for the past few weeks, 3 weeks now I think it's been. So I think Bitcoin will probably hopefully come back, retest this channel as support, and then push on. We've got this level here at around 39,200. This level here at around 40,200, and then this level here at around 41,500. I think provided that we could break through these levels, let me just outline these with lines really quickly so you can see where I'm looking. As you can see, these are three major resistances basically to rip back out of this channel. But as we well know, once you break out of a channel and retest it as support and confirm the breakout, then the target is always where you form the channel, which would be around this $42,000 level here. And we do think that Bitcoin, if it can get past some of these resistances like this, move up these levels in the next few days and break out of this, then we do see Bitcoin essentially having a full V-shaped recovery out of this big correction that we've had, as we can see here. So things are looking very bullish for Bitcoin. We're not quite out of the woods yet, but it was very nice to see a huge amount of money flowing into Bitcoin yesterday. And as we could quite clearly see we were actually watching the 1 minute chart yesterday just as a bit of an exercise in patience and also just seeing what the market was doing. And we saw some very, very large buy orders for Bitcoin coming in, some massive chunks, probably like millions, if not billions of dollars going into Bitcoin in one go yesterday. So quite clearly a lot of institutional players getting in on the action. We can actually see Bitcoin is currently pushing up even further, even though these are Heikin-Ashi candles, so you can't see the exact price that it's currently at. It does look as though it's actually pushing up further because the actual price is somewhere close to where the wick is. So as you can see, we're at around 38,400 currently. So if we can continue pressing up and then retest some of these levels here and move upwards, this would be absolutely fantastic. Obviously, if we can confirm this breakout, we did see a good amount of resistance here yesterday, as you can see. We actually bounced off this and corrected, but it did look as though we formed a small bull flag here. And then obviously we've got this rip to the upside. So clearly, Bitcoin is slowly starting to flip bullish. Hopefully we can keep up this momentum and gain some solid ground. We do want to see ourselves basically moving up through these layers of resistance and support and retesting them before we get any decent corrections to the downside, because we're basically getting up a good head of steam here, and we do think that the wider market is going to start to see the benefits from this as well. So we're feeling bullish on Bitcoin. We never really stopped feeling bullish. We always thought that this was quite a large manipulation to the downside, if we're honest, and obviously there's been a lot of fear in the market. But yesterday, if yesterday was any indication, if we saw another 20% move for Bitcoin from here, I mean, we would be looking well into the 40s for Bitcoin, which would obviously be fantastic because we'd see that full reversal out of this big, huge area of fear, uncertainty, and doubt that we've been experiencing recently. So quite clearly, we've just been consolidating sideways, but it does look as though we've had a very nice run to the upside now. So we're optimistic that Bitcoin can recover from here. Our short-term price target, now that we're breaking out of this channel, we do want to see it retested. And then obviously we want to be challenging that 41.5K level, which is quite clearly where we need to tackle. And obviously if we can do that, we do think we're going to be, as Coins Kid would say, big fan of his channel, by the way, go check him out, we'd be off to the races, because we're seeing that full reversal basically out of the in a V-shaped recovery like this. We've got the double bottom in, and then hopefully if we can retest this, break out of it, then as we say, going to be looking very, very bullish. We do think Bitcoin's going to be well over 100K by the end of the bull run. We don't think the bull run is over by any stretch of the imagination, as we've said previously. So everything's looking good, everything's looking golden. So that's our price prediction for Bitcoin today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way to up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.